$84 within a 24 hours or less than 24 hours. Two sales I made. You can see here I made a two sales and one upsell promoting one of the Clickbank offer. Here you can see this is the offer, instant manifestation, and here you can see I just bought 154 hops in spending ad spend $10, and I made initial sale, two sales here as well as one upsell, just $10 guys, 154 hops. And this is the offer page. Here you can see instant manifestation. Actually my planning was to select one of the offer from here and to show you scaling $0 to $1,000 with Facebook ad. So I was testing another ad campaign with Facebook, and suddenly I saw this offer, which is actually not allowed to promote with Facebook ad. And recently only, if you click here, email swipe, and here you can see we just reopened the door to media buyer who would like to promote our offer on Facebook. So that means they just recently only they open to promote with Facebook. Okay, and one more important thing guys, if you want to promote this offer, do not use their Facebook compliant VSL link. Okay, as they say that it's compliant with Facebook, but as I was checking this link have a pop-up. As you know that Facebook don't like any ad or in any landing page or in their website should have some pop-up, so do not use it. Instead of that, go here and click promote, and here you can see they have another Facebook compliant VSL page. Okay, here you can click and you can see this. So this is their landing page, which doesn't have any pop-up. Here you can see, so you can promote this one, Facebook compliant VSL page, right? This is the ad. So this campaign is a CBO campaign. I was checking two different offers so that I can bring a series for all of you, and then I removed that offer and I put this instant manifestation in this. Okay, so here you can see this is a CBO campaign, that's why. And this ad set right now is only targeting in US. Okay, and I have not made any other ad set because I want to see whether it's converting or not. And then I have 4 copies inside of this. Okay, ad copy, ad levels, and here you can see this 2 I saw that it's not performing, and then this 2 has bought most of the hops. Here you can see, and the this ad copy has bought the most of the landing page views for me, and few of this landing page views is also from the another campaign which it was there, which I changed. So you can see unique link clicks and landing page view is 182. Okay, and the landing page views, the cost is just 18 cent guys. It is showing in Indian rupees, but it is 18 cent. So just invested $10 guys with 18 cent landing page. And here you can see this is the landing page I use. This is a very simple landing page guys, keeping beginners in the mind. So I created this landing page, and this convert very well. If you're using landing page like this, make sure you're putting all your disclaimer. So if you're looking to promote this, this offer is good because recently only have very less gravity as compared to any other offer like manifestation magic. And you can also try with this. Okay, hope you like these videos, and if you like this, give the thumbs up to this video. And we will continue this series guys. As you know that I have to upload the part 6 video where I have to show you email promoting Clickbank product with emails, because I already created this series where I showed you video part 1 to video part 6, Facebook conversion ad, custom audience, as well as creating lead magnet. And today I have to upload this email sequence video, but the moment I saw that this is a fresh offer, is converting very good, then I thought to create a video for all of you. Okay, and then the next video I'm going to continue this. Hope you like this video. Okay, if you like it, give the thumbs up to this video, and let me know if you have anything you want to know more about this campaign. Thank you.